When it comes to renovating kitchen cabinets, Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners often find themselves asking, what is the most popular kitchen cabinet color in Kitchener-Waterloo? It's a great question, especially when you consider how much time we spend in our kitchens, making them the heart of the home. Choosing the right cabinet color can significantly impact not only the aesthetics, but also the resale value of your property. Whether you're planning a complete kitchen makeover or just a minor update, knowing what colors are trending can make your decision-making process much easier. In this article, we'll dive into the color trends that are capturing the hearts of homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo region. We'll explore why certain colors resonate more with local tastes and how they complement the architectural styles commonly found in the area. Are classic whites and neutrals still reigning supreme, or are bolder hues making their mark? Stay tuned to find out which kitchen cabinet colors are not only popular, but also practical for your home. Whether you're aiming for a modern, sleek look or a cozy, rustic vibe, we've got insights that will help you make the best choice for your renovation project. Exploring the trending kitchen cabinet colors in Kitchener-Waterloo homes. When it comes to kitchen renovations, one of the most impactful changes you can make is updating your cabinets. In Kitchener-Waterloo, a city known for its blend of traditional and modern design influences, the choice of cabinet color is an essential factor that sets the tone for the entire kitchen. Currently, the most popular kitchen cabinet color among homeowners in this area is white. White cabinets offer a timeless appeal and act as a versatile backdrop, allowing other design elements such as countertops, backsplashes, and appliances to shine. The clean and bright appearance of white cabinets can also make small kitchens appear more spacious, a practical benefit for many homes in urban settings. However, the popularity of white doesn't overshadow other trending colors that are making waves in Kitchener-Waterloo homes. Shades of gray and blue are gaining traction, offering a sophisticated alternative to traditional white. Gray cabinets provide a neutral foundation that complements both warm and cool color schemes, making them an excellent choice for those looking to achieve a balanced aesthetic. Blue, particularly in darker shades like navy, adds depth and richness, creating a striking focal point that resonates with both contemporary and classic kitchen designs. These colors are particularly appealing as they can be easily paired with natural materials like wood and stone, which are abundant in the region and add warmth to the overall design. Choosing the right cabinet color involves careful consideration of several factors, including the size of your kitchen, the amount of natural light it receives, and your personal style preferences. Here are some practical tips to help you make the best decision for your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. Why white kitchen cabinets are a top choice in Kitchener-Waterloo. White kitchen cabinets have remained a timeless favorite among homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo for a variety of compelling reasons. The versatility and timeless appeal of white cabinetry make it an ideal choice for both modern and traditional kitchen designs. White cabinets create a clean and airy feel, making kitchens appear larger and brighter, a crucial factor for many homes in the region where maximizing natural light is essential. Furthermore, white serves as a neutral backdrop that allows homeowners to experiment with different styles, textures, and colors in other elements of the kitchen, like backsplashes, countertops, and flooring. However, choosing white kitchen cabinets is not without its considerations. While they offer a crisp and clean aesthetic, they can require more frequent cleaning to maintain their pristine appearance, especially in busy households or homes with children and pets. Despite this, many homeowners find the trade-off worthwhile for the elegance and resale value white cabinets add to a home. Additionally, advances in material technology and finishes have made white cabinets easier to maintain than ever before, offering durable surfaces that resist staining and discoloration. For those considering a kitchen renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, working with an experienced company like Kitchen&Bath can provide valuable insights into the latest trends and durable materials that keep white cabinets looking fresh. Here are some practical tips for homeowners interested in white kitchen cabinets. Incorporating gray tones into your Kitchener-Waterloo kitchen. In recent years, gray has emerged as a leading choice for kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, offering a versatile and modern aesthetic that can transform your space. Gray tones provide a neutral backdrop, allowing homeowners to experiment with accents and accessories while maintaining a cohesive look. Whether you live in a historic home in downtown Kitchener or a contemporary condo in Waterloo, gray kitchen cabinets can complement various architectural styles and personal tastes. One of the primary advantages of choosing gray for your kitchen cabinets is its adaptability. Gray can range from light, airy shades that open up a space to darker, more dramatic tones that add sophistication and depth. This flexibility means you can easily pair gray cabinets with different countertop materials, such as quartz or marble, and a wide array of backsplash designs. However, it's essential to consider the lighting in your kitchen. Natural light can enhance the warmth of gray tones, while artificial lighting may require careful selection to avoid a cold or dull appearance. In homes in Cambridge, where kitchens may have smaller windows, incorporating layered lighting can help maintain a warm and inviting atmosphere. While gray offers many benefits, there are some trade-offs to consider. Darker shades might show fingerprints and smudges more easily, requiring regular maintenance to keep them looking pristine. On the other hand, lighter grays can better hide such marks, but might not provide the bold statement some homeowners desire. It's also crucial to consider how gray tones will fit with the existing elements in your kitchen, from flooring to appliances, ensuring a harmonious blend rather than a disjointed appearance. Here are some practical tips for incorporating gray tones into your kitchen. How to choose the perfect cabinet color for your Kitchener-Waterloo home. Choosing the right kitchen cabinet color for your Kitchener-Waterloo home involves balancing personal style preferences with practical considerations. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and its aesthetic should reflect your personality while complementing the overall design of the living space. In Kitchener-Waterloo, the climate with its distinct seasons can also influence your choice, as natural lighting changes throughout the year. Here's how you can make a decision that you will love for years to come. Firstly, consider the size and lighting of your kitchen. If you have a smaller kitchen or one that lacks natural light, lighter cabinet colors can help create an illusion of space and brightness. Shades like whites, creams, and light grays are popular for their ability to make rooms feel more open and airy. However, if your kitchen is spacious with ample natural light, you have more flexibility and can opt for darker tones like navy blue or forest green, which can add depth and sophistication. Another critical factor is the existing color palette of your home. The kitchen should seamlessly integrate with adjacent rooms, especially in open-concept layouts. Neutral tones are often a safe choice, providing a timeless appeal that also allows for flexibility with changing trends and decor. Yet, if you're looking to make a bold statement, consider accent colors that reflect your personal style. Just remember, while trends are exciting, they can quickly become outdated. It's crucial to choose a color that you'll be happy with long-term. Expert tips for matching cabinet colors with Kitchener-Waterloo interior styles. When it comes to choosing the perfect kitchen cabinet colors in Kitchener-Waterloo, the decision often goes beyond mere aesthetics. Your cabinet colors should harmonize with the existing interior style of your home while reflecting your personal taste. Given the rich architectural diversity found in Kitchener-Waterloo, from charming historic homes to sleek modern condos, it's crucial to select a color that complements your home's unique style. Whether you're drawn to the timeless appeal of classic white or prefer the daring allure of deep navy, making the right choice will significantly enhance your kitchen's overall appeal. One of the key considerations when selecting kitchen cabinet colors in Kitchener-Waterloo is the overall design theme of your home. For instance, if your home is styled in a traditional or rustic manner, you might lean towards warmer wood tones or muted shades such as sage green and soft gray. These colors not only blend well with natural materials commonly found in traditional settings, but also add a cozy, inviting feel. Conversely, if your home boasts a modern or contemporary design, opting for sleek, high-gloss finishes in bolder colors like charcoal or navy can create a striking contrast that's both sophisticated and stylish. Another important aspect to consider is the size and lighting of your kitchen space. Smaller kitchens, or those with limited natural light, can benefit from lighter cabinet colors that help to open up the space and reflect light, making the area feel larger and more welcoming. On the other hand, if you have a spacious kitchen with ample natural light, darker cabinet colors can add depth and richness without overwhelming the space. Furthermore, considering the color palette of adjoining rooms can ensure a cohesive flow throughout your home, which is particularly important in open concept spaces common in many Kitchener-Waterloo homes. Frequently asked questions. Q. What is the most popular kitchen cabinet color in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. The most popular kitchen cabinet color in Kitchener-Waterloo is white. This classic choice offers a clean, bright appearance that can make any kitchen feel more spacious and inviting. White cabinets are versatile, complementing a variety of styles from modern to traditional. Additionally, they provide a neutral backdrop that allows homeowners to easily incorporate other colors and patterns in their kitchen decor. Are there other popular kitchen cabinet colors in the region? Yes, while white remains the favorite, other popular choices include shades of gray and natural wood tones. Gray cabinets offer a sleek, modern look that pairs well with stainless steel appliances and contemporary fixtures. Natural wood tones add warmth and character, ideal for homeowners who prefer a more rustic or traditional aesthetic. These colors also work well with various countertop and backsplash materials. Q. How do I choose the right cabinet color for my kitchen? A. When selecting a cabinet color, consider the overall style and color scheme of your home. Assess the amount of natural light your kitchen receives, as this can affect how colors appear. It's also important to think about your long-term preferences and whether you plan to sell your home in the future. Neutral colors like white, gray, and wood tones tend to have broad appeal and can increase your home's resale value. Transforming your kitchen with the perfect cabinet color can make a world of difference. At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, Kitchener-Waterloo, we're here to help bring your vision to life. Whether you're drawn to timeless whites or trending hues, our team is ready to assist. Visit our Kitchen Cabinets Kitchener page for inspiration, or check out Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google for reviews. Call us at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book your free estimate or get a quote today.